Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. For the U.S. markets, the three major indices plunged overnight as investors monitor efforts to gradually reopen economies. Recall that there were new coronavirus clusters reported in Wuhan City over the weekend and about 2,500 new coronavirus cases in Florida since it reopened last May 4. The director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci, has warned that the U.S. could face more needless suffering and death if the country chooses to ease restrictions too early. The Dow fell 457 points, the S&P fell 60 points, while the Nasdaq snapped its 6-day winning streak, falling 190 points. Moving on to the local market, yesterday the government has placed NCR, Laguna, and Cebu under a modified enhanced community quarantine. The main differences between an ECQ and a modified ECQ is that under a modified ECQ, there will be available but limited transportation for essential goods and services, and also some industries will be allowed to operate but with a 50% maximum workforce. The government is expected to report today the details regarding which industries will be reopening. Having said that, we expect the market to continue trading within the 5,400 and the 5,800 level, with a downward bias due to the reopening jitters that caused the overnight plunge on Wall Street. In other news, all three major credit agencies have cited their economic growth forecast for the Philippines this year. Moody's expects a 2% contraction, Fitch expects a 1% contraction, while the S&P expects a 0.2% contraction. Should we see a full-year negative GDP growth this 2020, that will be the first full-year economic contraction since the 1998 Asian financial crisis, where the country saw a negative 0.5% growth. And regarding the MSCI Index review, we can expect higher than usual volatility for the following stocks. For the MSCI Global Standard Index, Pure Gold will be included, while Security Bank will be excluded. And for the MSCI Philippines Index Small Cap, All Home, DMCI Holdings, and Security Bank will be included, while East West, Macro Asia, and Megawide will be excluded. The following changes will be effective as of the close of May 29, 2020. And that wraps up our market outlook. Have a good day.